Hi everyone! Welcome to my travel video. It's going to be the first of many. I'm going to be traveling upcoming year and I'm going to be packing in 5 minutes. Because I'm leaving in 4 days and my first destination is Scotland, and I promised to do videos for my family and friends and I guess everyone else that is kind of interested in what I'm doing. So, it's all supposed to go in here. It's my backpack. It's a Nomad, and basically I just got it because one of my friends told me it was the best and I should get it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna, well, show you what I'm gonna bring. This is even... Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh God. I got it. If this is gonna happen while I'm traveling, this is gonna take a while. Okay, it might fit though. Okay, I've never traveled before. I've never done a backpack before. I've watched videos on this. But I wasn't expecting it to be fitting at the first freaking try. How? This is gonna fit, people. I'm excited now. Oh God. Okay, I'm not gonna buy anything there because it's not gonna fit. But this is fitting though. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay, now's the time to weigh the thing, because pretty sure this is like 15 kilos or something. Okay, now comes the absolute moment of truth. I'm just gonna go stand on the scale and not tell you how much I weigh. And then I'm gonna go stand on the scale with my backpack and I'm gonna tell you how much the difference is. Because I'm thinking it's gonna be about like 15 kilos or something, because it's huge. And I'm not that big, so it's gonna be hard. But, okay, here we go. Ugh. I'm not gonna tell you how much it is. Let's do this. Okay, so this biggie is about 12 kilos, 11 and a half to be exact. So it's not even that bad. I thought it was gonna be... It's still so heavy. Oh my God. But yeah. So that was pretty much it for today. Bye.